So over here in Thunderbird, if I were to go around onto the tools menu and then go around under settings right here, then this is what you have. So if I were to go around under the settings area right here, then you can see that there are a lot of settings. And if you want to search for a specific setting, then you can go around on to find in settings area right here on the top and simply go ahead and find it. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in calendar, then you got the calendar settings right here, just like this. If I were to go around onto chat, then you get the chat settings right here. If I were to go around and type in password, then you got the password settings right here, as you can see right here. You can also go around over here and let's say, for example, go around onto export, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the search in settings option inside of Thunderbird to search for the contents easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.